In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money from Sendwave. Sendwave is a popular app people use to send money quickly and securely to friends and family. As the receiver, your job is simple. Make sure the sender is using Sendwave, share the correct details, wait for confirmation, receive the funds, and verify they've arrived. I'll walk you through exactly how that looks and share a few tips to make it smooth. First, make sure the sender is actually using Sendwave. This matters because your payout options depend on the sender's app and the country they're sending to. Ask them to confirm the destination method they chose for you, like mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup, and the exact receiving country and currency. That small check helps avoid delays and misrouted transfers. Next, provide your correct details. Share your full name exactly as it appears on your ID or bank account, the right mobile money number with country code if applicable, and the correct bank account information if you're receiving to a bank. If the plan is cash pickup, the name on the transfer must match the ID you'll present. Double check spelling, numbers, and currency, and only share details with someone you trust. You never need to provide passwords or codes to receive money. Now wait for confirmation. After the sender completes the transfer, they'll see a success screen in the app and may get a receipt. You might also receive an SMS, email, or app notification from the partner that handles payouts in your country. Most Sendwave transfers are near instant, but bank deposits can take a bit longer, especially outside banking hours or during system maintenance. Next, receive the money instantly once it's processed. For mobile money, your wallet balance should update shortly. For bank transfers, look for a new deposit in your account. For cash pickup, the sender will have a reference or control number. Bring that and a matching ID to the designated location shown in the confirmation. If something seems slow, ask the sender to confirm the status and the details they used. Finally, check your balance, refresh your mobile wallet, open your banking app, or verify at the pickup counter to confirm the exact amount in your local currency. Keep any confirmation message for your records. If there's a mismatch or delay, the sender can contact Sendwave support directly from their app to trace the transfer. And that's it.